is palak paneer recipe. The preparation of palak. Now first clean the palak, clean it in cold water, whatever the normal water, and take a kadai, boil the water and keep the palak for cook it 2 to 3 minutes. This is the procedure of palak cleaning. So don't overcook it, just normal water, take it, boil it and 2 to 3 minutes cook it and take out from the kadai and keep it in the cold water. So remove all the palak and keep it into the cold water. You can add the ice cubes also, it will be cool. Now you can take it palak from this and add it to, keep it into the jar, mixie jar. If you are liking my videos, please share and subscribe and hit the like button. Add the ginger, garlic, chilies, add water, make a fine paste. Now take a kadai, add 2 spoon oil, take 1 big spoon butter. First we have to fry the paneer. Wash it paneer and make the cubes and slowly keep it in the kadai. Let it boil. Don't fry it very hard. It is just fry it as the paneer turns to smooth. Just make it 1-2 minutes. You can fry it. Then you can remove it slowly. You can see how soft it was. So remove it. So use the same kadai for tadka. Add the cumin 1 teaspoon. Cardamom, green cardamom, black cardamom, bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves. So mix it well, fry it well. Now you can use 1 finely chopped onion, let it turn into the pinkish or brownish, so it will give the proper taste. Add kasuri methi. Kasuri methi will give nice taste. Now can you use tomato, 1 or 2, that is a finely chopped. Let it mix it well, cook it well. Please guys, try this once. The taste is very nice. I have tried many times, but this time the taste is awesome. You can try it once. Now mix it well. Now whatever we have prepared, the palak puree, we can mix it. See the color. Add the salt as per taste. Now add the paneer. After adding paneer, don't cook more. Just keep 1 to 2 minutes. Properly mix it. Now you can use garam masala, 2 teaspoon. Kasuri methi. Mix it well. So you can look into it. It looks very tasty and juicy. Now add the cream, 2 teaspoon. Mix it well. Our palak paneer is ready to serve. You can eat with roti, kulcha, naan, anything you can eat if you want. But try it once definitely. If you have any other recipes, you can text me. Now our palak paneer is ready to serve. Serve it hot. So taste will be give awesome. You can see our awesome palak paneer, tasty palak paneer is ready. Thanks for watching the video guys. Thanks a lot. Please share, subscribe and like it. Thank you. Bye bye.